Hey, what's going on, everybody? So before we get into the video, I just want to say that I suck because I'm still editing on my phone and it sucks really bad. So I accidentally cut out like most of the first day of fishing at my buddy's place. So my buddy Jared has access to a private lake and over here in Texas. And it's not really, it's a big pond. It's a massive pond and it's stocked full of bass. And I was uploading and somehow it got cut out of my phone, so I lost that footage. So we're gonna jump in. It's basically half of day one and it goes into day two. So I appreciate y'all being here. Thank y'all so much, and let's get into it. Oh, this is Heavy Z Fishing. There he is. There's one right there. Oh, looks like a decent one. Stay on. Oh no, it's not that good. But we'll take him. Oh, we will take him. Yes. We will take him. Look at that. Got him right to the top of the mouth. What a great hook. Oh, I got him in the eye. Crap. Alright. Get the sucker back in the water. Thank you, sir, for playing. Have a great day. Golly. He crushed it. I mean, he absolutely crushed it. Oh my gosh. Come here, buddy. God dang, he crushed it. Woo. I mean, he's a dink, but I mean, he freaking annihilated that. Oh my gosh. Stay still, buddy. I can hear you. I can feel you. He is pissed. Ooh, he is hot. Ooh. I mean, a dinky dink. Little dink, dunk. Later, dude. God. Good morning. We're about to get after it. Day two. It's a new day. A new day. I figured today would be better than yesterday, but so far it is the latter. Not one bite, and I forgot my sweet potato.
Oh hell!
Not one bite. I've tried the wacky rig. I tried the Texas rig style on the stick bait. Now I'm throwing a fluke. You know what a fluke is?
Mm-hmm.
I figured it might get hit, but nothing so far. Spinner bait, nothing.
Sweating out taking down the tent.
Speaking of which, I got one, Jared.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, come here. This is a little dinker. Little dinker. Hey, well, we'll take him. The fluke. The fluke, baby. Just a little dank.
Yeah.
Y'all get out here, man. So there he is, little dinker. Thanks for playing, buddy. He's gone. All right, we're on the board finally. better one. He choked it too, son of a bitch. Hang on, buddy. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop. He choked it. All right. There it is. Okay. Better fish. Let's get back in the water. All right. Whew. So we got bit. Sorry I didn't have time to show y'all the fish, but I let him eat it for too long. That's my bad. And yeah, he choked it pretty good. So I wanted to get him back in the water as soon as possible. There he is. It's another little guy. Tiny. Absolutely tiny. Look how tiny that fun though. Oh, I got another one. Oh, he's... Oh, no. Oh, God, come on. Get out of there. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Come on, bitch, get in here. Go. No. Come on. Come on. Yes! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Oh my gosh! Holy crap! Oh! Oh! Dude! What a freaking fish, dude! Are you kidding me? Look at that! Oh! Dude! Oh! 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 Holy crap! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! What did I even catch that fish on? I caught him on a wacky rig, Senko. Okay. Whew. Okay, calm down.
Pick this thing up. I want to see it.
Hang on. I'm trying to turn this stupid thing on. There we go. Dude, what a tank. Okay, zeroed out. And it's at least a 5-pounder. Maybe more. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude. Are you kidding? Okay. Why is it not going to pounds yet? Oh, no. 4 pounds, 15 ounces.
So 5-pounder.
Yeah. We are looking at about 21 and a half.
Wow.
21 and a half. Oh, thank you, Lord. It's been a struggle, but oh my God. Are you kidding me? Dude, 4 pounds, 15 ounces, 21 and a half inches long. Look. Thank you so much. Oh, what a fish. And she's gone. And there she goes. Oh, oh my gosh. Another one. Get out of there. Come on. Get out of there. he's still alive. Come here. Pretty decent one. Not really. Okay. All right. There's another one. Nice pound and a half. Thank you, sir. There's another one. Nice little dinker. 7 for heaven. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Number 7. Little dink, dink, dunk, dunk, dink. Another one. Stay down, sucker. Little dink, dink, dunk, dunk, dink. Just another little dinker. Little dink. Thanks for playing, bud. Another one. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, it's a nice one. Whoa! Oh my God! 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 Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Come here, dude. Come here. Where are you? Where are you? Get in here! Oh, come on! Get in here! Come on, yeah, baby! Oh, another tank! Oh my God! I almost lost him. Here, dude. Oh yeah. Another freaking solid 3-pounder, it looks like. Yes. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I mean, that's what we came out here for, baby. Oh, it's a good looking fish. Let's get the freaking... Let's get the length on her at least. All right. Right at 20 inches. Okay. You're good. There you go. She gone. Let's go. Oh, man. What an unbelievable day of fishing. I mean, that's one of the better days I've had. It's not ever. I've had better days, but in the past 5 years, I mean, shoot, that was badass. We finally figured it out. It took us 2 days. Day 1 was really tough, really windy, and I could not get nothing going. At the end of the day, I got I got a couple hits on the wacky worm, but I don't ever fish it. I never fished the wacky worm too much in my life, so it was fun to figure out. But here's what did the damage today. We got it's basically my chatterbait rod. Chatterbait wasn't working, so I threw this on there. Obviously, it's not what you want to throw your weightless wacky rig on, but I mean, I had to figure something out, right? So this is a Abu Garcia Silver Max. What is this ratio? It's a 6:4 to 1 ratio. And then this is Yoziri Top Knot 10-pound fluorocarbon. This is a straight shank. I think it's an HDO Express from like the Academy brand hook. And I'm not sure what brand. I think this was Strike King. I'm pretty dang sure it was a Strike King Senko. Or not, they don't call it Senko. I don't know what they call it. And I don't even know what color it is. If you know, leave in the comments so everybody can go wear them out like I did. Again, guys and girls, I just want to thank you so much for tuning into Heavy Z Fishing. Make sure y'all check out all of our past videos. My brother, his gear breakdowns are really informative. He knows his shit pretty good. Anyways, thank y'all so much from the bottom of my heart. If you don't mind, if you made it this long, smash the like button, drop me a comment. I'll reply to everybody, obviously, because not that many subscribers, but subscribe, man. That's really what's gonna make us take off. If y'all take the time to like and subscribe, we really appreciate it. And we'll see y'all back on the water. Take it easy.